Hey guys, what's up? Demon Dog here, and today I'm gonna review the new Sepultura track. It's called Sepultura Under My Skin. Now, basically, the song's about well, it's dedicated to the fans who have supported them for a really long time. And okay, well, probably gonna expect me to go all like little fanboy and whatnot that oh my god, it's awesome and thank you so much Sepultura, you guys are the best. No, I'm not, cause to be honest this track was quite shitty, and reason why is because, well, for those of you who are subscribed to White X him, I'm gonna say the exact same thing he said. The lyrics are something that every band or singer in the radio has already wrote about, like, oh, together we are strong, together we are never alone, this and that. You know, just stuff like that, and I mean, it's so goddamn repetitive. Sepultura under my skin, Sepultura under my skin. And yeah, the instrumentation, well, I don't have that much against it, but I think the riffs might have been quote unquote inspired by Slipknot. Um, it kind of sounds like that track Slipknot always starts with. Um, I think it's Sick, SIC. Um, so yeah, you know, it was kind of a disappointment, especially coming from a legendary thrash band, one of the big names in thrash metal. And yeah, it was really fucking boring. Well, that's all I gotta say, really. Yes, I know I'm gonna get some hate by some random people that I don't even know. Gonna be all like, oh, you pussy, you don't even show your face, and you're a fucking poser. Sepultura is the best. Yeah, I know that's gonna happen, but you people are just gonna get spammed, so don't expect me to waste my time arguing with you. And yeah, if you want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description down below.